Welcome back to Supreme Auto Elite. Here is the complete detail about Tesla Model 3 car found in America. Introduction. A silent revolution. In the history of automobiles, very few cars can claim to have changed the direction of the entire industry. Some cars introduced speed, some luxury, some affordability. But once in a generation, a vehicle arrives that redefines what a car actually is. This is the story of such a car. Not powered by gasoline. Not defined by exhaust noise. Not limited by traditional thinking. This is the story of the Tesla Model 3, the car that made electric vehicles mainstream, challenged century-old automakers, and proved that the future doesn't arrive slowly. It arrives silently. Chapter 1. The world before Tesla Model 3. Before the Tesla Model 3, electric cars had a reputation, and it wasn't a good one. They were slow, short-range, expensive, unattractive, and often treated as science experiments. Most people believed electric cars were only suitable for golf courses, short city commutes, environmental activists. Gasoline vehicles ruled the roads, and major manufacturers saw no urgency to change. Then Tesla entered the conversation. Chapter 2. Elon Musk's vision. Elon Musk didn't want to build just another car. His goal was simple, yet revolutionary. Accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla already had. The Roadster-proof electric cars could be fast. Model S-proof electric cars could be luxurious. Model X-proof electric cars could be practical. But one problem remained. They were expensive. To truly change the world, Tesla needed a car for the masses. Affordable, high performance, long range, stylish, and unmistakably futuristic. That car would become the Model 3. Chapter 3. The birth of Model 3. On March 31, 2016, Tesla revealed the Model 3 to the world. What happened next shocked the entire auto industry. Within 24 hours, right pointing arrow 180,000 reservations. 1 week, right pointing arrow 325,000 reservations. People paid deposits without even driving the car. Why? Because the Model 3 promised a starting price around $35,000. Over 200 miles of range. Sports car acceleration. Minimalist luxury. Zero emissions. It wasn't just a car. It was hope on 4 wheels. Chapter 4. Design philosophy. Simplicity is luxury. At first glance, the Tesla Model 3 looks simple. But that simplicity is intentional. Exterior design. Smooth aerodynamic body. Flush door handles. No aggressive lines. Clean, modern silhouette. Every curve is designed to reduce drag, improve efficiency, maximize range. Interior revolution. Step inside, and everything changes. No traditional dashboard, speedometer behind the wheel, buttons everywhere. Instead, a single 15-inch touchscreen. Clean, open space, premium materials, panoramic glass roof. Tesla didn't remove features. They reimagined them. Chapter 5. The heart. Electric powertrain. The Tesla Model 3 doesn't have pistons, spark plugs, oil changes, exhaust systems. Instead, it runs on electric motors, lithium-ion battery packs, advanced power electronics, performance variants, standard range, long range, performance, acceleration that feels unreal. 0 to 60 mph in as little as 3.1 seconds. Instant torque, smooth, silent power delivery. Once you experience electric acceleration, gasoline cars feel outdated. Chapter 6. Range anxiety, solved. One of the biggest fears of electric vehicles is range anxiety. Tesla attacked this problem aggressively. Real-world range, up to 350 plus miles on a single charge. Intelligent energy management. Regenerative braking, supercharger network. Tesla didn't just sell cars. They built infrastructure. Thousands of superchargers worldwide. Fast charging in minutes, not hours. Strategically placed along highways. For the first time, electric road trips became realistic. Chapter 7. Autopilot, the future of driving. Tesla Model 3 is not just electric. It's intelligent. Autopilot features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, traffic-aware steering, automatic emergency braking, full self-driving FSD vision, auto lane change, navigate on autopilot, Smart Summon. Traffic light recognition. The Model 3 constantly improves via over-the-air software updates. Your car literally gets better while parked. Chapter 8. Software on Wheels. Traditional cars are machines. Tesla Model 3 is a computer on wheels. Touchscreen controls everything. Regular updates add new features. Improved performance via software. Enhanced safety without visiting a service center. From new driving modes, UI improvements, gaming and entertainment, Tesla blurred the line between car and technology. Chapter 9. Safety, engineered for protection. Tesla Model 3 is one of the safest cars ever tested. Why? Low center of gravity. Battery pack beneath the floor. Reinforced structure. No engine block to crush passengers. Safety highlights. Top safety ratings worldwide. Advanced driver assistance systems. Collision avoidance technology. Electric doesn't mean fragile. It means engineered smarter. Chapter 10. Manufacturing hell. Producing the Model 3 wasn't easy. Elon Musk famously called it production hell. Challenges included automation failures, supply chain issues, quality control, extreme pressure to meet demand. But Tesla survived, and the Model 3 became the best-selling electric car in the world. One of the best-selling sedans overall. Chapter 11. Impact on the auto industry. After Model 3, every major automaker announced EV plans. Electric vehicles became mainstream. Governments pushed EV incentives. Gasoline dominance began to crack. Tesla Model 3 didn't just compete. It forced the industry to evolve. Chapter 12. Criticism and controversy. No revolution comes without criticism. Common concerns. Build quality issues. Interior minimalism not for everyone. Autopilot misunderstandings. Repair costs. Yet despite criticism, sales continued to grow. Because for many drivers, the experience outweighed the flaws. Chapter 13. Environmental impact. Model 3 plays a key role in reducing emissions, lowering fuel dependency, promoting renewable energy. Paired with solar power, home battery systems, it becomes part of a clean energy ecosystem. Chapter 14. Daily life with Model 3. Owners often say, "I'll never go back to gas. It feels like the future. Driving is fun again. Quiet mornings, instant acceleration, no fuel stops, lower maintenance." The Model 3 changes daily driving, subtly, permanently. Chapter 15. The legacy of Tesla Model 3. Years from now, historians will say, this was the car that made electric vehicles normal. Not exotic, not experimental, normal. And that's exactly what makes it extraordinary. Conclusion. More than a car. The Tesla Model 3 is a vehicle, a technology platform, a statement, a glimpse into the future. It proves that innovation doesn't roar. It whispers past you at full speed. The revolution didn't arrive with noise. It arrived silently.